What is going on, guys? This is Kevin here from Yogamvr, and welcome back to my channel for another try not to laugh challenge. See, as you know, we're always going to continue our reaction of the video that you guys send me, and then I can watch it. So today we're going to watch a video based on animal fell. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and for this video, if you can we hit 5 likes on this video, and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's do this.
I'm Jason Kinsey, and this is life. My friend. You okay?
No. What just happened? How would that happen? What is he trying to do? Look like he's trying to say something. Oh my.
I think instead of a puppy, I want a pet goat.
Oh, you crazy. He doesn't want you. Yeah, he doesn't want you. Jesus, what the hell was that? Is it a turtle? Man, they got scared like hell no. Ouch. He's lucky that he's lucky. What are you trying to do? You okay? I guess. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh. I don't want to say this. Please change it. Oh my god, are you serious? Chicken? Come on! I'm scared of chicken.
Buroid. Yenon. Yenon.
What the hell is he doing? Yeah, he's smart. In your
Crack
together.
the egg, crack the egg. Please crack the egg. Oh my gosh.
You're an asshole!
Jesus.
What, Kenny? Kenny, if you just let go, he'll leave you alone. Just let go of him. Yeah. Just let him go. Slowly, slowly. Let go of him. Pet him. He's like ready to go. Kenny.
Just let him go.
Oh God, this is the best. Oh.
Oh.
That goat's gonna go through the door.
Oh my. He got scared. I think that's why he freeze like this. Ouch. Oh.
What?
Oh my. What happened?
No, get away! Nanny! Hey!
He's gonna stick it.
No, girl! Just spit on him!
Oh my god, that must be disgusting. Ah. Come on. I'm gonna do that all over again. What are you trying to do? Okay, the other one fell too, so you have to go shoot into. What is wrong with those goats or something? What is wrong with them? Suddenly they can't even
Oh.
move anymore. Ouch. What's that? Where is he going? Oh, you tried it. You're trying to escape. Oh! Oh! Man. Is that the male of the group? Ouch! Gosh. Jesus Christ. It's not even funny. You got that guy knocked out. Oh my god.
Just got shit on.
Oh yeah? What? Why the hell a god is doing there in the first place? Come on. No one come over here and eat my food. Hell no. I got froze too. You see? When they it looked like that when they got scared they froze like it's like something just crossed their mind or something. Alright guys, so that was it for me guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please let me know which part of this part of the video of try not to laugh challenge you did like down on the comment. I will really appreciate it. And if you guys have any video that you guys want me to watch, please leave a link under the comment and I will get back to those videos as soon as possible. If you did enjoy this video, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel for more daily content. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Grin. Peace.